Extreme, we go to see your type of storms of the severe or winter after this intro. ExtremeWeather over here. We actually looking at the satellite showing there's lots of activity with those little thunderstorms. And also those thunderstorms producing some lightning action still. And those thunderstorms happening with lots of very strong wind shear. And also the little bit strong cape. That's a little bit going on right now for like a little bit severe. That's a little bit more concern with the winter side of it. And also there's a lot of the parts of it inside this video. We actually look at part 1 of it right now, looking at the severe. And also I want to shout out for Kevin to put my subscribe for him. And also this way to let you know what's going on with the weather each day and out. And hopefully you subscribe and comment inside the videos. Let me know what you like about it. I'm thinking there's going to be more a little bit good viewpoints in scenario as well. Whether it's about the Canadian index, that's when you probability of those thunderstorms all the way to 0 all the way to 60% chance for those thunderstorms. But very, very high chances, but you have a low cape. That's problem. That's not a really good thunderstorm scenario. And also, there's a good look like what those clouds are going on over time. That blue and yellow area, that's where the storm's going on. And there was a little bit hail early in around Great Lakes. There was around like nickel-sized hail storms followed by that. And also we looked at the temperature forecast to see it's great at all, because the warm air and cold air, that's when it's those thunderstorms snow on. And my plan was trying to make like severe weather yesterday, but I did not have enough time, but I'm going to make it today. Try to get, try to make a couple videos because I have little puppy jury going on to see it head out for it. Now we're going to look at winter side. So there's lots of cold air is kicking in, so it's not keep it upwards when it show it on. So just figure out what to do with that cold air and warm air. That's why those thunderstorms early I will show you. But there was gonna be a little bit of snow in the Great Lakes regional. there's lots of mixed snow and ice in that zone, and it those thunderstorms early. I know there's lots of using lots of lightning, and also there's a protest of it. And there's could be maybe a little bit gusty, some regional in like around New York. This could be a little bit windy. It's Sonia. How much snow do you currently get? Well, some areas could get around like very, very much the next couple of days, but for right now, there's like some areas have like 1 inch and a 3 inch of snow, and also a little bit in New Jersey and in New York, and also Pennsylvania as well. And also you get a little bit those Great Lakes of letting snow occurring of it. This what it is going around the snow area in the Great Lakes. You have a good pocket of a little bit warmer temperature. That's why you see good greens for a little mix. So when that snow is just followed by with the height and is caused by the below average temperature. When the temperature is changing or not, with this average will going to take place when the warm air and cold air, that's what it is going on, and that cold air traditional to the eastward, and that the east still going to be there between the west and the east. When the west is really cold, that's when a chance for warm air kick in. When you have a little bit warm air in the east, the west, it's really cold air going on traditionally over time. So about the winter season, the all is about that Tennessee height. Here's the cold air pocket. That's when it is round at 10 a 10 a.m. before this video posted at around noon. But at around like 4 p.m. at 10, that's will be on December 10th at 4 p.m. Very, very deep cold air dip round the western by Yellowstone Regional, and also will then a big wormhole in and a big curve all the way to the cold air. Gonna be very warm around Oklahoma and Kansas Central with the December 13th, but we still don't know about the GFs. But it's just gonna be a little bit wild. That's why we only focus on this. This will be could look like on the satellite. This the satellite could look like when it does storms and grants with it. There's not a lot of very interesting things, but when we get a little bit closer, we can see those different parts with the atmosphere. we'll see how warm will could look like around couple days and nights when that's really warm temperature around Florida regional and the Texas. That's when it is could be a little bit warmer. When you have that little bit pocket of cold air on the December on around here, but it's a little bit warmer air, yeah. But when you have like a little bit different with the temperature, and also with the precipitation with the snow, will could be a little bit different story about it. This the MFC model could look like very on track about the snow forecast to see it coming over days. But the meanwhile, maybe around December 8th, hopefully very soon, eventually maybe a little bit snow in around Maryland, around from like around Virginia regional with that. But hopefully it will eventually coming each those days with that low pressure coming and hopefully change it to snow somehow to show you there's a way to have snow around Maryland, but it's really unlikely it should look like that. Hopefully we don't know what each day could like that. Here's the snow coming maybe around the northeast slowly, but could be a possibility at December 8th. We don't know how much snow, but look like a little bit snow, then it turned to a little low pressure system. I will see if there's any snow, water precipitation in that when it's appearing a little bit. But I think there was a little bit precipitation, and also by the sea it's a little bit not dry, but around Texas, that's when it is available. Just let's see those ingredients for to see the water precipitation to show you just when it is. The dry is very cold in Canada, but really wet and around Florida regional. That's when it could be in the northeast. How much snow around Maryland? Where do you live? Around that area. This what it could look like when it does. How much snow could precipitation when that could look like when it is. Some areas could look like not round, just a little bit precipitation. Maybe there's a couple 40s. Some regional with the weather. That's how cold. Let's looking at the moisture. Then this could be the end of that video for the next one. For the little bit of snow coming in a little bit, and those snow events will come in just a little bit of precipitation. That's all for that little bit of snow in at December 8th on that Wednesday. That's when we could possibly to get snow, and this is extreme weather area here.